Senate approves 21st Century Cures Act, sending it to President Barack Obama's desk. Congress has approved a bill overhauling the development of medical treatments and cures that is likely to be one of the last pieces of legislation President Barack Obama will sign into law before he leaves office. The Senate voted 94-5 on Wednesday to approve the bill, the 21st Century Cures Act, which will hasten how drugs and medical devices are reviewed and authorized by the Food and Drug Administration. The measure also provides funding for efforts like Obama's Precision Medicine Initiative and Vice President Joe Biden's Cancer Moonshot, as well as money for Alzheimer's research. Obama is expected to sign the bill, and called for its quick passage Saturday during his weekly address. "It could help us find a cure for Alzheimer's," he said. "It could end cancer as we know it, and help those seeking treatment for opioid addiction." He added, "It's an opportunity to save lives. And an opportunity we just can't miss." Biden, who leads the White House's Moonshot initiative aimed at curing cancer, on Monday oversaw the Senate's procedural vote on the bill, as it provides for $1.8 billion over 7 years to fight the disease. Biden's son, Beau Biden, died of a brain tumor last year, and the Senate voted Monday to rename a portion of the bill after him. The bill includes several other long-awaited provisions that were tagged onto it during its House passage last week, including funding for the prevention and treatment of opioid addiction and changes to the way mental health services are delivered. The bill prevailed despite concerns from critics, including patient advocates, who said it could cause ineffective or even dangerous medicines to reach the public. Some also have raised concerns about a missed opportunity to rein in drug prices, which in 2015 accounted for faster growth in spending than other healthcare areas like services from doctors and hospitals. Among those who spoke out against the bill were Sens. Elizabeth Warren, DMAS, and Bernie Sanders, IVT. Sanders said during debate over the bill that it did not do enough to curtail drug prices. "If you want to lower the outrageous cost of prescription drugs, vote against this bill," he said on the Senate floor Tuesday. "It is time to stand up against the pharmaceutical industry and stand up with the American people who are tired of being ripped off by this extremely greedy industry." Sen. Lamar Alexander, R10, has countered that accelerating the approval process will lower drug costs by removing lengthy and burdensome requirements. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell, R. Kentucky, has called the Cures Act the most important piece of legislation Congress would handle this year. Supporters of the bill included medical device and drug companies, medical schools, hospitals and doctors.